Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to create tasks, subtasks, and sections in Asana's free plan. First, open your project. Create a main task. Click the plus sign in your task list. Type the task name, like write blog post, press enter. Now, add subtasks. Click on the main task to open its details. On the right, find and click Add Subtask. A new line appears. Type your first subtask, like research topic. Press enter and type the next one, like create outline. To create sections, go to your main project view. Click Add Section above your task list. Name the section, like planning phase. Press enter. Now drag tasks into this section. Click and hold a task, drag it under the section header, and release. You can also make a section inside a task. In Task Details, click the three dots menu, select Add Section and name it. Drag subtasks into it, and that's it. You've created a task, added subtasks, and organized with sections. If this helped you structure your work, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.